Just look at that, eh? I didn't know there was a fountain here. I mean, where's that water come from?
I didn't know there was a fountain
Yeah,
either.
yeah.
And earlier this morning, I was just thinking to myself how reliable their water supply would be in a town like this. But if they've got a fontaine, then it must be fairly reliable.
Any settlement settled around water, number one.
Absolutely.
So it must have been since Ursula.
Yes,
a fountain,
at least
yeah.
since the town was established,
Yeah.
more than 100 years ago.
Exactly. Stop. Lekker is 'n speedskop. Jy mag nie so vinnig ry nie, né? Stadig, né? Daar's reg, net so.
Hy's 'n taxi.
Hey! Dis nou being filmed. Okay.